flat plateau, I'll chuck it out even a little further because I like it right at the edge of my holy shit. What I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna get real crazy on this job because I like it, and I'm gonna take and throw this shit out there and maybe come in there with the road in front of us. So instead of having a steep entrance and exit, I'll have a gradual exit. They'll just come in kind of steep. Because it's going to be steeper than it is now. I'm going to drop that about 4 or 5 feet. And all that material is going to go out here. Which requires at least 2 sets. Most guys already know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, what I'll do is I will dig it down to the level I want. I will reach up and grab it up there. And then I'll have a flat plateau out here to work on. And then I will reach back there again and take another big swipe as far as I can reach and set it out here as far as I can. You got it. You're not even a Toyota. Sideways for a minute. Oh, yeah. We're talking. Yo. Hello.